Uh, Good morning, students. So we will continue with Princess September. In yesterday's class, we discussed part first of Princess September. We discussed that Princess September, she was gifted a parrot by her father. Okay, and that parrot died. Princess September became very sorrowful at the death of the parrot, and then what happened? One day, one bird entered in her room. The parrot was only able to speak. God save the king, pretty Polly. But this bird was able to sing different songs. Okay, its voice was very sweet, and as the voice of the bird was very sweet, very melodious, it was liked by, it was appreciated by the king, by the queen, it was appreciated by everyone. Okay, and due to this, the parents of the other sisters, they were getting very less importance. As their parents were getting less importance, they become jealous that of Princess September. Okay, and they made a plan, and as per that plan, they went to Princess September and they said that, see, your bird is not in your control, and it is going in and out as per its desire. So you do one thing. Okay, you put your parrot, your this new bird there in cage. Okay, or either first of all they told that we will provide you money, with that you can buy a new parrot. But Princess September said that I don't require a new parrot. Why? I will, because I am having a bird and that is singing very melodiously, very sweetly. So there is no need that of a parrot, a new parrot. Okay. The other princess said that, see, your bird is coming and going as per its desire. Okay. So you should have a new parrot. And if you want to keep this bird, then it should be kept in a cage. Otherwise, what you will do if it will not come on any day? Okay. So likewise, all this we discussed there in the earlier class. Okay, as it is given in the line above, comprehension check. Safety first, said the sisters. Safety first. Whose safety? Safety of the new bird. Okay, they got up and walked out of the room, shaking their heads, and they left September very uneasy. They left Princess September very uneasy. And at what Princess September was very uneasy? Princess September was very uneasy at this point, that what will happen if on any day this new bird will not return back. If the bird will not return back, then she will be deprived of it. Okay, and this thought who developed there in Princess September's mind? The other sisters. Okay, they said that you love your new bird very much. Okay, you have given it freedom to come and go as per its desire. But what will happen if on some day, if this bird will not return back? Okay, then what you will do in that situation? And due to this thought, Princess September became very uneasy. Okay, so now we will start from here. Okay, what we will read in part 2. Princess September loves the bird far too much to take chances and acts upon her sister's advice. So she decided to act upon her sister's advice. And what was the sister's advice? To keep the bird there in a cage. The bird cannot overcome the loss of freedom. Now the bird became very unhappy because so far it was free, it was enjoying its freedom, and now it was kept there in the cage. And as it was no more freedom, what impact it had on its voice, that we will study in this. Princess September decides to put the bird's happiness above her own. And then there were certain impacts there on the voice of the new bird as it was put there in the cage. So Princess September decided that she will keep the freedom of the bird above everything. Okay, so what happens, that we will read in this part second. Okay, students, so it seemed to Princess September that her little bird had been away a long time. Something might have happened to him. What with hawks and with snares, you never knew what trouble he might get into. What trouble he might get into. There are hawks, there are certain birds of a prey, and these
Yeah, child,
birds of
please.
prey may snare it, may trap it, may entangle it. Okay, you never knew what trouble he might get into. Besides, he might forget her, or he might take a fancy, or might be possible the bird may forget her, or the bird may get a new owner, and the bird may be impressed very much from the new owner. Okay, or he might take a fancy to somebody else, may develop a love or desire for someone else. He might forget her, or he might take a fancy to somebody else. That would be dreadful. And if it will happen like this, it will be dreadful. She wished he were safely back again. So she thought, she wished that the bird should return back safely. And once it will return back, she will not take any chance, and she will put the bird there in the cage. She thought that what will happen if the bird will become a victim that of the birds of prey. What will happen if the bird may develop fancy for somebody else? Okay, so she thought that the bird should return safely. Suddenly September heard a tweet tweet just behind her ear, and she saw the little bird sitting on her shoulder. But to her good luck, suddenly she heard the bird's voice, and the bird was sitting there on her shoulder. He had come in so quietly and alighted so softly that she had not heard him. So the bird came so silently, so quietly, and sat there on the shoulder of Princess September, alighted to come down from something. Okay, so to sit there. I wondered means surprised. I wondered what on earth had become of you, said the princess. Princess said, I wondered, I thought that what will happen with what had happened with you, why you have not returned. I thought you would wonder that, said the little bird. The fact is, I very nearly didn't come back tonight at all. My father-in-law was giving a party and they all wanted me to stay, but I thought you would be anxious. The bird said, I was not interested to come back there in night because my father-in-law was giving a party and I wanted to stay there, but I thought that you will become anxious, you will become worried. Anxious means worried. Anxious characterized by resulting from or causing anxiety, or you can say worried. So the bird said, I thought you will be worried. That's why I returned back. Otherwise, my father-in-law was giving a party and I wanted to stay there. Under the circumstances, this was very unfortunate remark for the little bird to make. September felt her heart go thump against her chest, and she made up her mind to take no more risk. Now, under this situation, it was a very unfortunate remark, as the bird said that I was thinking to stay back at night because my father-in-law was giving a party, but I came back because I thought you will become anxious, you will become worried. Princess September thought that she should not take any further chance and she should keep the bird there in cage. To take no more risk, she put up her hand and took hold of the bird. The bird suspected, so she, with her hand, she took a hold of the bird. The bird suspected. Suspected means doubted. The bird doubted nothing. The bird suspected nothing, and he was so surprised when she carried him over to the cage. So when Princess September took a hold of the bird doubted nothing. The bird suspected nothing, because Princess September was her the bird considered as her friend, and the bird was very much familiar. So no doubt came in the bird's mind that she will do anything wrong with him. Popped him in and shut the door on him, that for a moment he could think of nothing to say. But in a moment or two, he hopped up to the ivory perch and said, "What is the joke?" Okay, so she took a hold of the bird and she put the bird there in the cage. Okay, for a moment, the bird thought of nothing, but then he realized the situation and he said, "What is the joke? What you are doing? Why you have put me there in the cage?" "There is no joke," said September, "but some of Mama's cats are prowling." Prowling means moving here and there, moving quickly. What is the meaning of prowling? Prowling means moving. Okay, so some of Mama's cats are prowling here, and I think you are much safer in the cage. Mama's cats, they are prowling, and I think you are much safer there in the cage, and that's why I have put you. Okay, prowling means yeah, you're right. Some of Mama's cats are prowling about tonight, and I think you are much safer there. Okay. Well, just for this once, I don't mind. If you are taking this safety provision just for once, for one time, then no problem at all. I don't mind, said the little bird, so long as you let me out in the morning. In the morning, if you let me out, no problem at all. He ate a very good supper and then began to sing. But in the middle of his song, he stopped. He ate the supper, that is the dinner, and then in the middle, he stopped. "I don't know what is the matter with me," he said, "but I don't feel like singing tonight." And then the bird said, "I don't know what has happened with me, but I don't feel to sing. I am not interested anymore to sing. I am not having any desire to sing." And the bird stopped in between. "Okay, I don't very well," said September, "go to sleep instead." And Princess September said that if you don't if you don't want to sing, no problem at all. You can go for sleeping. So he put his head under his wing and in a minute was fast asleep. In a minute, the new bird was fast asleep. September went to sleep too. But when the dawn broke, dawn means the morning. So when it was the time of morning, she was awakened by the little bird calling her at the top of his voice. In the morning, Princess September was awakened by the voice of the new bird. "Okay, wake up," he said. "Open the door of this cage and let me out." The bird started saying, wake up, let me go out from this cage. I want to have a good fly. I want to have a good fly. The dew is still on the ground. The dew is still on the ground. I want to enjoy the fine morning. I want to fly there in the sky. Let me go out. Who said this? The new bird. To whom? Princess September. You are much better off where you are, said Princess. But Princess September said, you are much better where you are, and there is no need to go anywhere. Let me out, said the little bird, and he tried to slip through the bars of the cage, bars, the rods of the cage. Okay, but of course could not, and he beat against the door, and he started beating against the door. The new bird started beating against the door because it wanted to go out, but it was not able to go out. Okay, then the 8 princes came in and looked at him. They told September she was very wise to take their advice. The other princes, they came and they said that it's good that she had taken their advice and she will surely benefited out of it. They said he would soon get used to the case and in a few days would quite forget he had never been free. The bird will be accustomed, the bird will be habitual of the case, and in few days he will forget, okay, about the open air, open space, about freedom, everything, and the bird will become accustomed to be there in the cage. But as soon as they were gone, he began to cry again, let me out, let me out. But as soon as they went, the bird again started crying, let me out, let me out. Don't be such an old silly. Don't be that much foolish. Silly means foolish, said September. I have put you in the cage because I am so fond of you. I have put you in cage because I am fond of you. I like you very much. I know what's good for you much better than you do yourself. I know what is good for you better than you. And I have kept you there in the cage for your safety only. Sing me a little song and I will give you a piece of sugar. Please sing for me and I will give you a piece of sugar. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage, looking out at the blue sky and never sang a note. The bird became very sad. It sat there in the corner of the cage and never sang anything. What is the good of sulking? Okay, why you are there in off mode? Why you are not happy? What will happen due to it? Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? Why don't you sing and you forget your troubles, your worries? Okay. How can I sing? Answered the bird. And the bird answered, how can I sing? I want to see the trees and the lake and the green rice growing in the fields. I want to enjoy the open air. I want to fly in the open fields. I want to enjoy the air, the dew, the beauty of nature I want to enjoy. I will take you out every day, she said. Princess September said that I will take you out every day. It's not the same thing, said the little bird. The rice fields and the lake and the willow trees look quite different when you see them through the bars of a cage. And the bird said that it will not be the same thing when you will take me there in the cage, because from the cage these things will be looked quite different. Okay, this could be enjoyed. The beauty of nature could be enjoyed only when a person remains free. The bird would not sing a song and he would not eat a thing. The princess was a little anxious at this and asked her sisters what they thought about it. Now the bird stopped the bird stopped singing, the bird stopped eating, and it was a terrible situation for Princess September. And she thought how to handle. And for getting a guidance over it, she asked her sisters. You must be firm, they said. The sister said, you must be firm. You must be determined and don't take your decision back. What you have decided, keep firm on it. And the bird will learn in 1 or 2 days or in some days to be there in the cage. And after that, it will not demand any more for the open air for freedom. That would be very ungrateful of him. They said, he must know that you are only thinking of his own good. If he is obstinate means haughty, and to demand something, very strongly and in a persistent manner. So if he is obstinate and dies, it will serve him right, and you will be well rid of him. The sister said, it's not good at the new bird's part. After all, you are providing him good food, and after all, you have kept him there in the cage for his safety only. So it seems the bird is very ungrateful, and the bird should not act in this manner. This is very ungrateful approach of the bird. He should not behave in this manner. It seems the bird is very obstinate, very haughty. September didn't see how that was going to do her very much good, but they were 8 to 1 and all older than she, so she said nothing. Okay, Princess September was not sure how their advice will help her, but she thought that all they are older than her, so might be possible they are having more experience and their advice will turn good. Perhaps he will have got used to this case by tomorrow, she said. And she was also convinced that in time to come, the bird will be accustomed to the situation. Children, are you understanding or not?
Yes.
Yes, students, provide your response.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Yes.
Yes.
So far what we have discussed the story, you have understood or not? Princess September kept the cage there. Princess September kept the bird, the new bird there in the cage. Why she kept? Because she was suggested by her sisters that you should keep the bird there in the cage, because what will happen if on some day it will not return back? If it will not return back, you will be deprived of your bird. And this suited very much to Princess September. And when the bird came, the bird said that today I was not interested to come back, as there was a party there at my father-in-law's house. They requested me to stay back at night, but I thought you will become anxious. That's why I came. Now due to this, even this Princess September became more firm to keep the bird there in the cage. And she took a hold of the bird, she put the bird there in the cage. Then the bird said, what a joke, why you have put me there in the cage? And then what happened? The bird started requesting that please let me out, let me free. Okay, and the bird also stopped singing. Okay, then in the morning the bird requested, please let me go out, let me go out. And Princess September said that I will take you there in the cage. The bird said that from the cage, the beauty of the nature will not be same if I will look from the cage behind the bars. Okay, I want to enjoy it myself. Then only it will be a perfect enjoyment for me. Okay, but the bird was not provided freedom. So this we have discussed. And next day, when she awoke, she cried out, "Good morning," in a cheerful voice. She got no answer. She said to the bird, "Good morning," but she got no answer. She jumped out of bed and ran to the cage. She gave a startled cry. She gave a startled. Startled means sudden and shocking. Sudden and okay, she gave a sudden and a shocking cry, for there the little bird lived. The place at which the little bird was lying at the bottom on his side, with his eyes closed, and he looked as if he were dead. Next morning, when she got up, she wished good morning to the bird, but no response came from the bird's side. She opened the cage and she was shocked to see the bird was lying there in one corner of the cage, as if the bird was dead. And he looked as if he were dead. She opened the door and putting her hand in lifted him out. She gave a sob in relief, for she felt that his little heart was beating still. But she was happy enough when she took out the bird, because the bird's heart was still beating. It means that the bird was alive. Wake up, little bird," she said. She began to cry, and her tears fell on the little bird. She began to cry. The tears started falling there on her cheeks. He opened his eyes and saw that the bars of the cage were no longer around him. The bars of the cage were no longer around him. "I cannot sing unless I am free, and if I cannot sing, I die," he said. The bird said that "I cannot sing if I am free, and if I will not sing, I will die." So what the bird wanted to say? The bird wanted to say that if I will be there in the cage, I will not able to survive. I will die because I will not sing, and if I will not sing, I will die. The princess gave a great sob. The princess started crying. "Then take your freedom," she said. "I set you in a golden cage because I loved you and wanted to have you all to myself. I put you there in the cage because I love you very much. I wanted you to be with me all the time, but I never knew it would kill you. I never knew that it would kill you. I love you enough to let you be happy in your own way. But if it is proving dangerous for your life, then I will let you free because I don't want you to die." She threw open the window and gently placed the little bird on the sill. He shook himself a little. "Come and go as you will, little bird," she said. "I will never put you in a cage any more. I will never put you in a cage any more. And little bird, come as per your desire. Come whenever you want and go whenever you want. I will come because I love you." And the bird said, "I will come because I love you," said the bird, "and I will sing you the loveliest songs. I will sing the best songs for you. I shall go far away, but I shall always come back, and I shall never forget you. I will go to far off places, to many away places, but at the same time I will return back because I love you." He gave himself another shake. "Good gracious me, how still I am," he exclaimed. Okay, so the bird went. Then he opened his wings and flew right away into the blue, but the little princess burst into tears. The bird got the open air and it flew there in the open sky. But Princess burst into tears. Princess September started crying, for it is very difficult to put the happiness of someone you love before your own. And with her little bird far out of sight, she felt all of a sudden very lonely, as she used to love the bird very much. and as the bird went away. Okay, so one can't bear the loss of one of that person whom one loved very much. She used to love the bird, so as the bird went away, she started crying. When her sisters knew what had happened, they mocked. Okay, mocked means make a fun of. Okay, mocked. So they made a fun of her and said that the little bird would never return. They said that the little bird will never come back. But he did at last, and he sat on September's shoulder and ate out of her hand and sang her the beautiful songs he had learned while he was flying up and down the fair places of the world. Okay, but the other princess said, the bird will not return back, but the bird returned back. And the bird sang the finest songs for Princess September. Okay, September kept her window open day and night so that the little bird might come into her room whenever he felt inclined. Okay, September kept her window open so that the bird could come back as per its convenience, and the bird used to come. Okay, inclined means willing. Okay, inclined means willing. So whenever the bird will feel willing to come back, it will come back. And this was very good for her. So she grew extremely beautiful. And due to this, Princess September grew extremely beautiful because all the time she used to keep the window of her room open, and due to that fresh air used to enter there in her room, and she became very beautiful. And when she was old enough, she married the king of Cambodia. The Princess September was married with king of Cambodia and was carried on a white elephant all the way to the city in which the king lived. She was carried on a white elephant to the city where the king used to live, but her sisters never slept with their windows open. They never slept with their windows open. They used to keep their windows closed. So they grew extremely ugly. The sisters, they grew extremely ugly as well as disagreeable, unwilling. And when the time came to marry them off, they were given away to the king's counselors. They were married with the king's counselors, king's ministers, with a pound of tea and a Siamese cat. Okay, so this is, children, the end of the story. As Princess September kept the window open, so she became extremely beautiful. All the time fresh air used to enter there in her room. So she became beautiful. The other sisters, they used to keep their window closed. And as they used to keep their windows closed, okay, so they were not that much beautiful. They turned ugly, and they were married to the king's counselors. Okay, so this is the end of the story. Do good, get good. Princess September had a good heart. She was extremely good towards the parrot. She got a good result. She turned beautiful, and she was married to a king. Other sisters, they were not good at heart. Okay, they were having ill intentions, and as a result, in the later stage of their life, they were not benefited that much. Okay, and they were not that much beautiful as Princess September was. Okay, so this is the story, children. I hope you have understood. You have understood or not, all of you? Yes, students,
Yes,
you
sir.
have understood or
Yes,
not?
I understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, children,
We
Yes,
understood.
sir.
your
Yes,
voice
sir.
is not coming to.
Yes. Now speak.
Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Karthikeyan, your voice is not coming. Saksam.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Understood.
sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, now your voice is not coming.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, children, you will be able to answer. Okay. Yeah. So you have understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is about Princess September. Princess September was very kind at heart. She was a very good princess. But on the advice of her other sisters, she put the bird there in the cage. As the bird was put there in the cage, the bird, what kind of impact the bird had? The bird was not happy. It stopped singing good songs. Okay. And then there was no other option with Princess September rather than to let the bird free, because when the bird was kept there in cage, it stopped singing fine songs, melodious songs, and it seemed that as if it was dead. So Princess September, she realized that she has to let the bird free if she wanted the bird to be alive. Okay. And she let the bird free, and the bird came to visit her on regular basis. The bird used to sing the loveliest songs for her. Okay. And at the later stage of her life, she turned very beautiful because she used to keep her window open. She was married with the king of Cambodia, and the other sisters, as they used to keep their window closed. Okay. So they were not that much beautiful. They were ugly, and they were married with the ministers, the king's counselors. Okay, so this is the story. Moral of the story: everyone's freedom is important. Everyone's freedom should be respected. Okay, and if you will do good towards others, you will also get good in return. If you will not be good for others, you will not also get good things in return. Okay, so you have understood or not?
Yes.
All of you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, students, do the questions. Okay, in the following sentences, elaborate the parts given in bold. Under the circumstances, it was a very unfortunate remark for the bird to make. Under the circumstances, what was the circumstance? At that time, Princess September was thinking to put the bird there in the cage, and at the same time, the bird said that I was thinking to stay back at night. So this was the circumstance. Okay. Then what did Princess September do to ensure the safety of her pet? She put the bird there in the cage. How did the bird react to it? It was not at all liked by the bird, and the bird stopped singing. Then why did the bird refuse to be taken out in her cage? Because the bird said that I will not be able to enjoy the beauty of nature that much there in the cage as I will enjoy when I will remain free. Then what persuaded Princess September to give the bird his freedom again? Because one day when she opened the door of the cage, she found the bird as if it was dead. When she took it out, she found the heart was still beating. Then she decided that she will not keep the bird anymore there in the cage, and she let the bird free. How did the bird react to it? The bird became very happy, and the bird assured that I will return back to you. Okay, and I will sing the loveliest songs for you. Princess September kept her window open day and night. How did it help the bird? The bird was able to come as per its desire whenever it wanted. The bird was able to come and go. How did it help the princess herself? The princess became very, yes, how did it help the,
Beautiful.
yeah, the princess became very beautiful. Okay. Then the 8 sisters kept their windows shut. How did it affect them? The 8 sisters kept their windows shut. How did it affect them? Yes, your answer quickly.
They became really ugly.
They became very ugly and they were married to the
Counselors of the
yes, very good. Then, are the sisters unkind and cruel? Yes, of course, the sisters are unkind and cruel. Find evidences in the text to support your idea, because they only advised to put the bird there in the cage. They only advised when Princess September discussed with them that what she should do. The new bird is not feeling any more happy there in the cage. Then also they advise that keep the bird there in the cage, and by the time it will become habitual to be there in the cage, but don't let the bird free. Who advised? They only advised. Then which to you is the most important idea in this story? Importance of music, value of freedom, beauty of nature. Which is the most important?
Value
Yes,
of
student?
freedom. Value of freedom.
Value of freedom, right? Then, so children, this is the story. The story comes to an end. I hope you have understood it very well. You have understood or not?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Understood.
sir.
Okay. So, in the next class, we will discuss the other lesson. Okay. Regarding, let me tell you, you do the question answers of 8 exercise questions you do. Okay, all the exercise questions should be done there in your notebook, and home assignment also I will create. Along with that home assignment there at the Google Classroom, you upload your exercise work. All the questions you have to do there in your notebook, and all that work you have to upload there at the Google Classroom. Okay. Then next we will discuss, children, the summit within. The summit within this lesson we will discuss there in the next class. Okay. So this class comes to an end. Keep enjoying your learning. Okay. And keep doing your work at the right time. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.